Curious about your video RAM capacity? Here's a quick guide to check your VRAM on a Windows 11 PC. Press Windows plus I keys together on your keyboard to open Settings window. Click System on the left menu of the Settings window. Then, select Display option from the list shown on the right side of the window. Scroll down the display page and click Advanced Display option under Related Settings at the bottom as shown below. Then, click Display Adapter Properties for Display 1 option under Display Information section as shown below. Make sure you are in the Adapter tab of Properties window. Then, check Dedicated Video Memory for its value, which is given in megabytes. At last, click OK button to close the Properties window. Close the Settings window. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.